Here it is. Thomas Hardy, who was an English novelist and poet, a Victorian realist in the tradition of George Eliot. He was influenced both in his novels and his poetry by Romanticism, including the poetry of William Wordsworth. His novels, all of which were published in the mid to late 19th century. His last novels, Tales of the Herbervilles and Jude the Observer, are generally considered as his finest works. Thomas Hardy was born in 2nd June 1840 and was passed away in 11th January 1928, who was an English novelist and poet. While Hardy wrote poetry throughout his life and regarded himself primarily as a poet, his first collection was not published until 1898. While Hardy wrote poetry throughout his life and regarded himself primarily as a poet, his first collection was not published until 1898. Initially, therefore, he gained fame as the author of novels. Hardy's life in relation to his works. Thomas Hardy's life can be divided into three phases. What are the three phases? The first phase, from 1840 to 1870. It embraces childhood, adolescence, apprenticeship, first marriage, early poems, and his first unpublished novel. The second phase, from 1871 to 1897. It is marked by intensive writing, which resulted in the publication of 14 novels and a number of short stories. The third phase, from 1898 to 1928, the period of the writer's rising fame, he abandoned writing novels and returned to poetry. This is the three phases of Thomas Hardy's life. First one, childhood, early poems, and his first unpublished novel. Second phase, intensive writing, publication of 14 novels. Third phase, he abandoned writing novels and returned to poetry. Early life. Born on 2nd June 1840 in the village of Higher or Upper Backhampton in Stingford parish near the town of Dorchester in Dorset County, England. Childhood pursuits, often spending time alone wandering the countryside, exploring the flora and fauna, gaining a profound connection with nature and the familiar sights and sounds of his rural home country. Attended the Stinson Church with his family, was a voracious reader, learned to play the violin and attended local schools studying Latin, Greek, French, classical literature, and assisted his father in his various building projects. Work before writing. At the age of 16, Hardy was taken as an apprentice to John Keats, an architect in Dorchester. Left in 1862 for London to work with architect Arthur Blomfield. He worked in an office which specialized in restoration of churches. Immersed himself in the city's vibrant literary and cultural atmosphere, studying art, visiting the National Gallery, attending the theatre, and writing prose and poetry. 5 years later, concerned about his health, he returned to Dorset and decided to dedicate himself to writing. അങ്ങനെ അദ്ദേഹം വർക്കിൽ നിന്ന് മാറി റൈറ്റിംഗിലേക്ക് തിരിയുകയാണ്. Love and marriage, family. Emily. Hardy met Emma Lavina Gifford in 1870. she was working at the rectory in St. Juliet, Cornwall, a building project he was working on. They married in London in 1874. Emma died suddenly on 27th November 1912. Florence. In 1914, Hardy married his secretary Florence Emily Dugdale. Dugdale was 39 years his junior. Illness and death. Hardy became ill and pleurisy in December 1927. He died at his home Maxgate in Dorchester in 11th January 1928. Hardy narrated his final poem to his wife while on his deathbed. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മരണക്കിടക്കയിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ പോയം എഴുതുന്നത്. അത് ആർക്കാണ് ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്? അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഭാര്യക്കാണ് ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. His heart is buried in the cemetery of St. Michael's Church in Stratford, Dorset, where Emma and Florence also now rest. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഭാര്യമാര് ബറി ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള സെയിം സ്ഥലത്ത് തന്നെയാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിനെയും ബറി ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. His ashes were interred in Poets' Corner of Westminster Abbey, London, England. Novels. Hardy divided his novels and collected short stories into 3 classes. First one, novels of character and environment. Second one, romance and fantasies. Third one, novels of ingenuity. Drama. After harsh criticism of 2 of his novels, Hardy wrote and published works of drama. The Dynast was drama. The Dynast Part 1 1904, The Dynast Part 2 1906, The Dynast Part 3 1908. The famous tragedy of the Queen of Cornwall at Tintagel in Lyons was published in 1923. It was an one-act play. Poetry. Poetry was Hardy's first literary love. He wrote poems from the 1860s onward till near his death, completing nearly 1,000 poems. About 986 poems. Hardy is now recognized as one of the greatest poets of the 20th century. In 1898, Hardy published his first volume of poetry, Wessex Poems, a collection of poems written over a period of 30 years. This is all about Thomas Hardy and his works, about his novels, his life, and his works.